You ever seen There's Something About Mary? Oh my god, that's what I think about whenever I do this. This is so stupid. What am I doing? It's so freaking soft though. It's so moisturized. It's so nice and moisturized. It feels so good. This is dope. This is so stupid. That's wild though. It's not shedding at all. Like usually my hair would be shedding right now. It's not shedding at all. Hey guys, Aisha here, and today I was gonna do a wig review for a new company I tried, for a new wig I got. But I looked at my hair today and it is extremely, painfully, embarrassingly dry. And I just did it last week. So I decided I need to redo it today because it's just, I need to detangle it and properly moisturize it and everything. It's so dry and it's so bad. I don't know. I've been wearing wigs as a protective style instead of braids and twists or anything else. And I do like spray my hair with water and moisturize it every day under the wigs, but it's still extremely dry. I gotta deep condition it, I gotta condition it, and I gotta wash it and try to properly moisturize it because it's not doing what it was supposed to do. So yeah, and also I made my own whipped shea butter for my hair because I've been looking for a good sealant for my hair for a long time. Oils don't work well with my hair. They make my hair feel like straw, and it's not good at all. So I made my own whipped shea butter because I couldn't find anything I liked in the stores, and I got tired of buying a lot of product because it's taking up space in my bathroom and I need to throw a lot of it away. So I made my own and I'm going to try it out today. I use it on my hands actually, and it's really good. So far it's really good. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. And I'll try to do the wig review another day this week. So yeah, let's get this. Let's do this. Let's get started. Okay, disclaimer. I'm not sure if this is conditioner or shampoo. It says all soft conditioner shampooing. I'm assuming it's conditioner because I think on the website on Ulta it said conditioner because I would not buy shampoo. So I'm assuming it's conditioner. And it's thick, so I'm assuming it's conditioner. But yeah, that's what I'm using to finger detangle my hair. I've given up on using tools in my hair because I don't like it. It just causes unnecessary breakage and it's pointless. And it's not even any quicker on my hair to use a comb. And it just causes my head to hurt. So I am finger detangling from now on because it works best for my hair, for me. So yeah, and also I forgot to mention too, in this that I just made, the whipped shea butter, I forgot to add cocoa butter. I wanted to put cocoa butter in it. I totally forgot. I totally spaced. I was on the phone with my mom at the time while I was doing it and trying to record it at the same time, and I spaced out and totally forgot because my mom, she likes to talk, and a phone call with her is a minimum of 2 hours. So yeah, my bad. My next batch is definitely going to have cocoa butter in it, and I'm probably going to use the white shea butter instead. I don't know the difference. Is there a difference between the yellow and the white? I got the yellow because I got a better deal on it, and it said it was all natural and everything that I wanted. So I don't know if there's a difference between the yellow and the white shea butter, but that's what I'm using today. I did previously use the white before, and it was okay. I didn't whip it or anything, but I just used it as is and it was okay. But yeah, this one seems to be a lot softer though than the white one I had before. I don't know if it's because it's summer and it was just hot and when it arrived it was already soft, or I don't know. But the white one I had before was kind of gritty, so maybe I will just keep using the yellow. I don't know. Somebody let me know if there's a difference between the yellow and the white. Like is one better than the other? I don't know. The white seemed to be more expensive, but like I said before, when I had white it was super gritty. So yeah, and the yellow is softer in my experience, in my opinion. But yeah, let me know. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to doing this. I just want to put that out there because I remembered that I forgot to do what I was supposed to do. So yeah, alright. So it's been over 24 hours and these things are still damp. I kind of had a feeling they weren't going to be dry just because of the design of it. There's no way, the hair is like folded in on itself and there's really no way it's dry. It's like folded in and covered. So yeah, these things are not for me. Luckily they were cheap. I got them off of the website when they first came out. I don't remember the site, but they do sell them on Amazon, like everything else is sold on Amazon. So yeah, if you want them, get off there. What a waste of time. Anyway, at least I tried it though. So next, I'm just gonna use these perm rods because I don't have time to play with these things. And I feel like they wouldn't have really done much for my hair anyway because they're so loose. Like even the perm rods are tighter than these. These things are super loose. And I think they're called like magic rollers or something. But anyway, they look like freaking pop sockets. But yeah, these things did not work for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these perm rods because I know these will be dry by tomorrow. So as you can see, the magic curlers did not work on my hair. I think they would have worked if my hair was like super dry, like if I used like a spritz or something. Obviously that will hold the curl. But I'm really not willing to dry out my hair like that. My hair needs to be moisturized or it's just gonna break off. And yeah, there's no point in me doing that. Just for a style, drying out my hair like that. So, yeah, I mean, I got it stretched into an afro, so that was something, I guess. But, yeah, convinced that anything with the word magic in it, it's not gonna work. But, the freaking shea butter I used worked really well. My hair is super moisturized, so that's really good. And I really didn't use a whole lot. But yeah, my hair is super moisturized. I finally got into somewhat of an afro like I wanted it in anyway, even if the curls didn't work. And it smells good. So yeah. I might try the curls on Aries hair because I'm pretty sure they'll work on her hair a lot better. Because her hair doesn't take much to like curl or anything, it just does it. And it doesn't have to be dry for it to curl. But yeah, my hair is not like that. It has to be super dried out with like gel or spritz or something for it to really hold a curl. It has to be really dry, and that sucks. But I don't think those magic curls would work anyway, just because they were so loose. Even when I tried to do them at their tightest, they were just like super loose, and then yeah. I don't know. I guess back to the drawing board with that. I don't know. I might try it again later just because I spent my money on it. Granted, they were cheap, and I got them years ago. I got them a long time ago. But I might try them again. But right now, nah. Plus, I really don't like keeping my hair out anyway, like this, because I can't stop touching it, and I won't leave it alone. So my hair needs to be like braided up and put up somewhere. not mess with it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I might try a twist out or something while it's already out. I might try that. I don't know. But anyway, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. It's another awkward hair video where it didn't go quite as I wanted it to. Yay! Yay! So much fun. These hair videos never go as I wanted them to. No, they never go like I want. They never go like I wanted to. Never. My hair hasn't shed at all though, because it's moisturized. And that's like my main issue is dryness. So I think I've resolved that issue, but that means that I can't do much to my hair because it is moisturized. I wonder if it should, but it probably would hold a braid out and a twist out though, just not a decent curl. I think it would do well with a braid out or a twist out though, to be honest. I think I'll try that next time. I'm gonna do that next time.